right in the middle.
Today we're going to bring targets for outdoor shooting. This is perfect for a 22, a pellet gun, airsoft, pretty much anything that could force the actual system to rotate because of the force that it needs to be hit. Now, they do have targets, stickers, targets that you could stick on, and you could hit when you hit the target. It has blackouts, so you could make sure you cover them up. Now, this is not for everyone because some gun ranges do not allow your own targeting. All right, so just to be aware and use cautions when you're using these devices. Now, I'm going to show you how to set it up, and we're going to use an air pellet gun to test out and see how it works. All right, so we lined up the target here so we can see, and I put a backboard in here because I'm going to shoot a pellet gun and I don't want to penetrate anywhere else. I do have a nice backyard in the back where I could set this up. Now, to set this one up, you got a pressure here on the floor, and you could sharpen the edges, or if you want to have your own stand, you could add stands to it. They're not included, but they do some separate. Now, this thing, when you hit it, it's going to spin around. All right, the force is going to send it to the other side, or you're going to hit it. Now, it's going to mark. These are stickers that are going to mark, so you're going to know that you're going to hit the actual target. You go cover them up if you want. That's an option. So we're going to test it out and see how well it works. Let's see what I hit it on. Right there, smackaroo. I try for this one right now, but look at this. Right in the center. Smackaroo hit it really good. So, very accurate.